Guilty ka rin ba dito? Katulad ko? Let's hope and pray na magmahal din tayo ng katulad ni Kristo. Watch this.
Religion tries to change man from the outside in. Jesus changes people from the inside out. That's why you should stop hating on the prostitute who's now coming to church. And stop hating on the dude who's smoking weed and now coming to church. And stop hating on the person that's cursing who's now coming to church. You trying to put your laws, your man-made regulations on them. The Lord ain't never tell nobody, get your life right, then come to me. He never said that. God ain't after your behavior first. It's after your heart. If your heart get transformed, your behavior follows.
Marcos 2:17, sabi ni Jesus, hindi nangangailangan ng manggagamot ang walang sakit. Naparito ako upang tawagin ang mga makasalanan, hindi ang matutuwid. This is Grace and Grind. Please follow and subscribe for more.